Hi, my beautiful people. Hello, hello. It's your lady signing in tonight, Lois Nichols. Guess what I have here? Atomy Expert Daily Mask. I did a first video where I used the brightening, and I did promise to come back and use the firming mask. So tonight I am using my firming mask. Okay, there's three of them. We've got the brightening, the firming, and the moisturizing. My last video, if you haven't watched it, click, go watch the last video on the brightening one. Okay, tonight I'm using the firming mask, okay, as you can see. All right, so I brought it out. Do you know, I actually brought it out and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot, I need to do a video, I need to let them see this. I can't miss this. So obviously I brought it out already, but yeah, it's okay. It's not too late. Never say too late. All right, better late than never. Is that not what they say? Okay, so I'm trying to make out what side goes now. Okay, because once I put it on my face, you know the drill, I have to take off the protective covering, which is the net. Okay, so I think I've got that now. So let's put it on the face. I like the fact that it just sits. There's no stress with this one. See, they've done it so that everything goes like to the right. Do you see that? Okay, that's it. All you need to do is just fit it in. Everything goes in the right place. Do you see that? Okay, so I'm gonna try and take off the protective covering. There's a net. Okay, that's it. We did it in the last video and we're doing it now in this video. Okay, so take out that protective covering and then massage the mask into your skin. And as you're doing that, you're also massaging, look, them wonderful nutrients, okay, into your skin. I love this. I love the fact that once you take out that protective covering, it just feels so light and so good. It feels so good to the skin. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. So what I do is I just spend a few minutes just rubbing. And why I'm rubbing, like I told you in my last video, is because I'm trying to trigger and trying to aid absorption, okay, of the nutrients into my skin. All right, the more you just give it a bit of a massage, the more you're getting them nourishment and nutrients and everything in this mask. The more you're getting them going into your skin. And like I always do, I'm going to tell you the components of the firming mask, okay? The things that are heat. You can see that all them nourishment, okay, that has been infused into this mask, okay, so that by the time you use it, you get that firmness on your skin, elasticity. Very good. Trust me, don't use this 7 days 7 days in a week. I've done that. Let me take this off my mouth so I can talk better. That's it. It's off my mouth now. Okay, yeah. So I used it 7 days a week. Every single day for 7 days. The firmness I got on my face was hello. I had to stop it, and I quickly rushed to get the moisturizing mask to kind of tone it down a bit, because I think I've overdone it. Okay, because come on, every day for 7 days on a firming mask, my skin was literally firm. So I wouldn't advise you, like I said in my last video, to use this one for 7 days a week. Okay, twice a week is fine. Every other day in the week is fine, okay? Which is what I now do with the firming mask, okay? Because I also want to maintain that firmness, okay, on my skin, okay? So that's how I use it now. You may have a different method of using yours. Please leave in the comment section so I can learn from you as well, okay? Okay, so let's see. What is in here? A bit of a tongue twister, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm gonna read it out because I like when I do my videos to actually go a bit into details about what you're getting, okay, and the benefits of why you need to be using this. Okay, it contains oligopeptide. Okay, so peptide consisting of amino acids such as lysine, glycine, histidine, and all this helps to improve elasticity and firmness of the skin. Can you go wrong with that? Nah. It also contains sodium hyaluronate, okay, as the key ingredients that compose the connective tissues in the human body. So it helps for flexibility, and it also helps to moisturize the skin. And then you've got the what do you call this one now? Please pardon me. It's got they call it the kombucha complex. Okay, I think my hands are slippery. So it's, yeah, the kombucha complex. Okay, so it's a compound of black tea extract and yeast ferment extract, okay, that provides abundant energy, includes vitamin B and various enzymes, okay, obviously that are good for your skin, innit? So those are the three active and main ingredients in this, okay. That no wonder when I used it, I saw the results, you know. It was so good. My skin was firm, you know. I like I said, I don't mind, was just a bit too much, okay. So like I said, I will advise you twice a week, and then every other day, okay, as at when you really need it, okay, to firm your skin. All right, so this is the Atomy Daily Expert Mask, and this is the firming mask, okay. Like I said, I love to do it when I'm about to go to bed, because once it's done, I can just go to sleep knowing that my body is still absorbing all them lovely essential nutrients, and when I wake up in the morning, I'm just good to go. I wash my face, clean up, and voila, ready to go. So this is Atomy Daily Expert Mask. Now I'm doing this series, okay. Then my next video will be the moisturizing mask. I'm going to be using the moisturizing mask, okay. They all look the same, just like this. The only difference is in the components, okay. All right, because the brightening does the brightening, the firming does the firming, and the moisturizing does the moisturizing, as it says, you know. So this is so good. All right, now if you want any of these products, because in my last video somebody said, oh, you didn't really tell us how to get the product. To get this product, please send me a DM, okay. I will tell you how you can actually get this product delivered to your door at manufacturer's price, okay. Some of you like to go to third-party sites to buy the products, but the risk and of buying products in third-party sites is you stand the risk of getting a fake product, okay, and you stand the risk of also buying 2 times, 3 times, 4 times the original price, okay. We are pioneer distributors of Atomy products here in the United Kingdom, okay. So if you want it, I'll show you how to go online, register free online, okay, get a sponsor ID from me, okay, complete your registration free online, and then you can shop in the comfort of your own home, and the company delivers direct to your door, okay. That easy, trust me, that easy. All right, so send me a DM. All right, until I see you in my next video, love you guys. Watch out for my next video, which will be for the moisturizing daily expert mask, okay. If you love this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, okay, and click the notification button, so every time I pop up on the screen, it will pop up on your phone and you will pop in to watch me. All right, I love you.